It's football season. That only means one thing: tailgate party. That's right, football fans. It means one thing: tailgating, which means I get to break out my favorite grill and take it and do some tailgating foods. We're going to show you how to take your tailgate party to the next level. No burgers and hot dogs. No, no, no. It's going up a level, FOGO style. First thing, Big Green Egg MiniMax. Take it with you wherever you go, all right? I got this set on my stand here. We are all set to go before we light it. Before we do me a favor, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. We sure hope that you do. We love you. Anyway, let's get started tailgating. Yeah, that's right. Sausage, peppers, and onions. You heard me. We're going to make a nice hero out of it. Got some nice, fresh, crusty bread for it to go on. Oh, it's going to be so good. The beautiful part is this is a really easy meal to make out at the game or at the beach, wherever you want to go. The nice part about the MiniMax, you can take it wherever you want to go. It's really portable. We threw it in the back of the truck here, headed over here. No problems whatsoever. I got it on its MiniMax stand. Pretty cool, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to get these sausage and peppers going. We're going to cook the peppers and onions in a cast iron pan right on here. Then we're going to cook the sausages right after that. Make a nice, beautiful sandwich. I can't wait. This is one of my favorite meals to make. And it's football season. Yay! Touchdown! So the first thing we need to do, get our food out. Got a bag of peppers. I didn't use green because green peppers are a little gross sometimes. So I got some red, yellow, and orange. Let's see. We've got sausages. We're going to use sweet Italian sausage this week. Nice thing you can do, if you like something a little spicier, mix it up, throw some hot sausage in there. It's up to you. A little bit of prep at home goes a long way. Got some salt, got some pepper, some sugar. Yes, I add sugar to my peppers and onions. That's right. You know what else I add? A little bit of garlic, because you can't have too much garlic, baby. It's going to be so good. I can't wait to get started. And of course, the last part of our recipe is the onion. We can't forget about that. So I think before we start prepping the food dough, we should get some charcoal in the MiniMax. Get this lid up so it's heating up while we're preparing the food. Got the FOGO. Already had an open bag, brought it from home. Nice and convenient. Didn't even have to open a new one. One thing before we put the charcoal in, if you're going tailgating, this is an absolute must. It's an ash basket, a kick ash basket. They make, Big Green Egg makes one also. But it's really super simple because when you're done, you just take it out, set it on the ground, and you can pour water all over your coals and cool it off really quickly. This way you don't have to worry about letting your grill cool down and having to leave and everything like that. Now, this recipe is really simple. There's not a lot to it. Again, I got 1 pack of sweet Italian sausage. As I said before, if you want to put some hot in there, some people like spicy. I don't. Now, my normal go-to is 1 good-sized onion and 2 peppers. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go with 3 peppers because they're kind of small and tiny, so I like there to be some peppers and some onion in my bite. Real simple. We're just going to cut them into strips. Nothing to it. Same thing with the onion. Cook them all together in the pan. Cook the sausage after. Put them on some crusty bread and make just the best sandwich you're going to have in the entire ballpark. Now, when you're tailgating, you must be sophisticated. Anyway, look at that. We got our peppers and onions and garlic all in here. They may take a little different times to cook, but we're just going to keep stirring them, and they're going to look good. So let's get this baby open. Give a little burp. Throw that right on there. That BGE pan fits in that thing so perfectly. Ooh! One last ingredient. Got to add a little bit of oil to the pan. I like olive oil. You can use whatever you want, vegetable, whatever. Now, remember, any important thing to do when you're grilling, this is a must. Calibrate your tongs. I love tailgating, yeah. Peppers, onions, garlic, cooking away nicely. But now it's time to get our sausage ready, because once that's done, we're going to put these right off here. Again, just to repeat myself, we are using sweet Italian sausage today. I don't particularly like spicy, but some people like spicy. You can use that, even better, okay? All right, so I like to add 3 things. About halfway through cooking, so I like to add 3 things. Good pinch of kosher salt, and a little more, okay? Some black pepper. Now my secret ingredient, all right, don't tell anybody about this, it's a secret, is a good pinch of sugar. I like to add some sugar into here. All right, just gives it a really super nice caramelization and a real nice flavor. So put as much as you want, as much as little, it's up to you. And then give it a good stir. Mix it around. Oh, you can make the best sausage and peppers and onions in the world, but if you don't have the right bread to go with it, it's not going to work. I got nice poppy seed bread, nice and crispy and crunchy on the outside, nice and airy on the inside. Let's cut this open and see what it looks like. Nice and soft, look at that. Oh yeah. And you want to cut it open, but don't go all the way through. I like to take some of the bread out of it. Okay? I take it out of one side. I don't want to eat all bread. I want that sausage and peppers and onions to shine through, baby. These are looking good. Like I said, I like them to have still a little bit of crisp. You can see they're a little bit, you know, pliable now. They're not quite. We're going to put them back on at the end. So we're going to take this off of here now. Just set this on the side. Okay. And cook some sausage. Peppers and onions, done. Sausage time. So we're going to just throw all these right on here, right above the direct flames. I'm going to grill them direct. Now, if you can, you might want to try cooking them indirect at first. This way they don't burst. These are probably going to burst open. But all of these sausages are open on the ends anyway, so we're going to lose some of the juices. So it really doesn't matter. But if you want to keep the juices in, cook them indirect and then just sear them at the end. Personally, I like to do this. It gives it a really nice char on the outside of the sausage. Now, we all know toasted bread is the best, so we're going to toast our bread. But I'm going to show you an extra little trick. Move some of this stuff to the side. Take your bread and get it down in that nice greasy stuff that the peppers and onions cooked in. Whoa, and bathe it around in there. Get a little coating on there. Yeah, that's going to toast up real nice. All right, one thing about it, when you're grilling sausages direct like that, you want to keep turning them and keep flipping them. You want to try and get a char on all sides. If you can, stand them up if you can, you know, however you can do it. You want to keep an eye on them. You don't want them to burn because the casings will burn real fast. As you can see, they got a beautiful, beautiful char on them. The skins are all coated nicely. They're all cooked beautifully. They're cooked all the way through. So we're just going to take them out and stick them in our pan. 1 and 2. Okay. Remember those breads that we oiled up nice from the bottom of the pan? Just stick them on here for a couple seconds. Let them toast up for a minute. Don't let them burn. This is going to cook quick because these coals are burning hot, baby. Last step, we're going to put this back on, just reheat our peppers and onions for a couple seconds with the sausage in there. We're going to build our sandwiches. Hey, you know, funny thing, so the food's almost done, and who shows up late to the tailgate party? My buddy Brandon. What's up, Brandon?
Hey, what's up, man? I gotta get here late on purpose. I know something good's always going on around here.
Yeah, he knows the perfect timing, so I think we should make Brandon a sandwich. Let's make Brandon a sandwich. So, start with one sausage, grab some peppers and onions. Look at that. All right. Lots of bread, I know, but it's all right. Touchdown! And this is the fruits of our labor. Tailgating at its best. What do you think, Brandon? How's the sandwich?
I mean, I'm already almost done with it, man. I couldn't wait.
He's almost done with it. He can't wait for anything. I need another bite. Oh, yeah. Cheers. Here's to tailgating. Go Dolphins! The beautiful part about this, that sugar really adds just a nice little sweetness to the peppers and onions. They're cooked beautiful. That oil on the bread is a super crazy trick. It's awesome. So, listen, whatever you're tailgating, let me know in the comments. I want to know what you like to cook at your tailgate parties. If you want to see some more tailgating videos, let me know in the video. We got a bunch of recipes, but we're not sure if we're going to do them. So, let me know in the comments down below if you like them. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, right? Thumbs up. Okay? Thumbs up. Like us. Brandon says give us a thumbs up. And listen, we appreciate you. Go Dolphins, whoever your football team is. And remember, get out and grill, and we'll see you next week on the FOGO Life.